Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna help you learn how to stream Netflix on Discord. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to stream Netflix on Discord, simply follow the steps. Click open a web browser first and log into your Netflix account by going to the URL www.netflix.com and press the enter on your keyboard. If necessary, log into your account. Now, at the same time, open up your Discord application as well. Log into your account and once you're in, go ahead and connect to a server. Now, click on the settings button at the bottom of the page and decide which gaming activity you'd like to use. From this page, go to Activity Status under Activity Settings. Now, click on Edit and select the tab in your browser with an active streaming services. Go ahead and select the browser when you are signed into your Netflix. Since I've done it in my Google Chrome, let me click Google Chrome option from this page and click on Add Game. Leave the settings page by crossing it out. Now, click on the screen icon at the bottom left. In the pop-up, select a voice channel, adjust the streaming settings, and then click on Go Live. Now, click open the web browser where Netflix is running. Choose your favorite movies or TV shows and start playing. And that is how you can easily stream Netflix on Discord. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.